Hey guys, today I wanted to show you this vacuum bag set. It's good for traveling and it's also good for storing around the house. So I'm going to show you what comes inside. So it comes with 6 20-inch bags, 6 24-inch bags, which I'll show you guys how big they are in a second, and 3 28-inch bags. Also, it comes with 3 squeeze clips, a manual right here, and then the traveling bag for this vacuum pump, which uses a USB cord. And then there's also a QR code you can scan it shows you how to set up things and how they work. But now I'm going to show you how big the bags are real quick for reference. This is the 20. This is the 24. And then the 28 is right here. So now it's January and obviously Christmas has ended. So me and my mom want to pack all of the Christmas stuff away. So we have 6 Christmas sweaters and 12 towels. And my mom is now going to pack them. And she's using the 24-inch bag, which was the middle one. So now we're going to pack them. Okay, so now the bag is all filled up. We fit all the stuff inside. And my mom put everything inside and she made sure it was nice and flat. You don't want to have it lopsided where one side is bigger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these, which came in the squeeze clips. I said that they came in 3 packages, but in each package it comes with 5 of these. So you're just going to take this, and you're only supposed to do it once, just to make sure it's closed, but I'm just going to do it 3 times just to make sure. And now, before using the pump, I'm just going to try to get the air as best as I can. So you're going to unscrew this, and what I like to do is just kind of put all my weight on it, kind of like a mattress, and you're just going to step on it until you hear the air to stop. So like right now. Okay, so now I have my vacuum pump. And you just put it and screw it. I think that should be good. I'm just going to click this button. Look at that. It's also not too loud, which is nice. Now I'm just going to screw it back on. Okay, so this is the finished result. It is so much smaller, and just to remind you guys, we had 6 sweatshirts, and they were pretty bulky, and we had 12 towels, and look at how small this is. This is just crazy.